What if I told you that the most powerful AI-powered desktop you can buy today isn't some futuristic concept? It's sitting right here on your desk. The Dell Pro Tower Plus desktop PC isn't just another workstation. It's a 20-core AI beast that can think, create, and compute faster than most laptops, costing twice as much. And with 13 trillion operations per second from its dedicated AI engine, it's not just keeping up with the future, it's defining it. But here's the real question. Is this overkill for your needs? Or is it the missing piece in your professional toolkit? Let's be honest, most business desktops are stuck in the past. They're underpowered, outdated, and struggle with modern workloads like AI-assisted design, real-time data analysis, or even just running multiple high-res displays without lag. The market is flooded with mid-range PCs that promise performance but deliver frustration. You need reliability, power, and future-proofing without the premium price tag of a workstation that costs more than your car. So when Dell sent me the Pro Tower Plus with its Intel Core Ultra 7 265 processor, 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, and a blazing fast 1 terabyte PCIe SSD, I knew this wasn't just another review unit. This was a statement that business computing has officially entered the AI era. First impressions? This tower means business. It's not sleek or flashy. It's built like a tank. The matte black chassis is sturdy, with clean lines and thoughtful cable management. The front panel includes a DVD drive. Yes, it still exists, and a row of USB ports, including 2 USB-C, which is rare on business towers. The 3 display ports on the back tell you this machine is ready for multi-monitor setups, which is essential for designers, engineers, or anyone drowning in spreadsheets. But the real star is what's under the hood. The Intel Core Ultra 7 265 is a game changer. This isn't your grandfather's CPU. With 20 cores, 8 performance, and 12 efficiency, and a turbo boost up to 3 gigahertz, it crushes everything from video editing to complex Excel macros. But here's what sets it apart. The Intel AI Boost NPU. That's Neural Processing Unit. It delivers 13 trillion operations per second dedicated to AI tasks. That means real-time noise cancellation in video calls, instant background blur in Zoom, or AI-powered photo editing in Adobe Lightroom, all without slowing down your system. And let's talk about memory. 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM isn't just a luxury. It's a necessity today. Whether you're running a virtual machine, editing 4K video, or juggling 50 browser tabs with multiple cloud apps, this system doesn't blink. The 1 terabyte PCIe SSD is lightning fast, booting in seconds and loading large files in a heartbeat. Even with all that power, the system stays cool and quiet thanks to Dell's advanced thermal design. Now, let's talk about Windows 11 Pro with Copilot AI. This isn't just an operating system. It's your new productivity partner. Copilot can summarize emails, draft documents, analyze data, and even help troubleshoot issues. It learns your workflow and adapts. For professionals drowning in meetings and deadlines, this is a game changer. Imagine drafting a report while Copilot pulls in real-time data from your CRM, formats it, and suggests improvements, all while you're on a call. But does it live up to the hype? I put it to the test. I opened 20 Chrome tabs, ran a 4K video export in Premiere Pro, had a Teams call with AI background blur active, and still had headroom to spare. The AI-enhanced features in Adobe apps like Photoshop and Lightroom were noticeably faster. No lag, no stutter. Even running a virtual machine with Windows 11 inside, it felt seamless. The 32 gigabytes RAM handled it all without a hiccup. Now let's get real. No system is perfect. The DVD drive might feel nostalgic, but in 2024, it's largely obsolete. If you're not archiving data on optical discs, you might never use it. Also, while the tower is powerful, it's not silent. Under full load, the fans ramp up, and it's audible in a quiet office. Not deafening, but noticeable. And if you're looking for a compact form factor, this is a full-size tower. It needs space. So how does it compare? Against a high-end Mac Studio? The Mac wins in raw graphics performance if you're doing 3D rendering, but the Pro Tower Plus crushes it in raw CPU power and AI acceleration. Against a Dell XPS desktop, the XPS is sleeker and more portable, but lacks the AI, NPU, and the expandability of the Pro Tower. Against a Lenovo ThinkStation, similar performance, but Dell's thermal management and Windows 11 integration with Copilot give it the edge for business users who rely on Microsoft's ecosystem. Who is this for? If you're a data analyst crunching numbers, a designer rendering 3D models, a developer running multiple virtual environments, or a business leader using AI tools daily, this is the desktop you've been waiting for. It's not for gamers, though it could handle it, but for professionals who need power, reliability, and future-proofing. So is it worth it? Absolutely. The Dell Pro Tower Plus isn't just a computer. It's a productivity revolution. With AI acceleration built in, 20 cores of raw power, and Windows 11 Pro with Copilot, it's not just keeping up with the future, it's leading it. If you're serious about your work and want a machine that grows with you, this is the one to buy. Don't wait for the next upgrade cycle. The future is here, and it's sitting on your desk. Ready to power your next breakthrough? Click the link, order yours today, and step into the AI-powered workspace of tomorrow, starting today.